Hi everyone, today I am going to be presenting to you how you can get a green screen effect on your video. So I'm going to be using a cat video which doesn't have sound, some music, and a table image. The cat will be on the table and moving around. So first, we're going to put the table image onto our video 1 row here, and we'll extend it later depending on the length of this clip. I'll start by changing the size because it's way too big. So we'll go into the effect controls panel and then onto the scale writing here. You can grab the 100 and lower it to 55, maybe. 55 looks good for me. And I'll have the table a bit on the side. I'll have it there. And this is pretty perfect for me. The next thing we're gonna do is grab the green screen cat clip and then drag it over the table image. I know it doesn't look good for now, but it'll look better later. So we'll take the table and extend it to the length of the green screen clip so that the table doesn't disappear and the cat starts to float at the middle of our clip. The next thing we're going to do is scale the cat up. Now, the cat is a bit too small for the table, so we're gonna click on the cat video and then go again in effect controls and scale it up a bit, like this. And we'll move it later. The next thing is to go into the effects panel and then search for ultra key. Then under keying in the video effects folder, you'll find ultra keying, which you can drag onto the green screen cat video. Under ultra key in the effect control panel again, you'll see the key color, and then you can click on this and then just select the green from the screen of your cat. And then you have it. You have your green screen removed from your video, and make sure to have it setting to default because it can tint the cat to the table color if not. We only need to move the cat now and add some music maybe. To move the cat, you scroll up and then go into motion and then just move the cat at the place you like it. I think my cat will be good right about here because I noticed he whips his tail back at a moment and it goes under the table. I find this pretty good for now. Still don't have a background because that doesn't matter for now. It's not the point of this video. I'm just going to add some music into the project video. And I'm going to drag it onto the audio one and cut it with the razor tool and remove the last part with the delete key on your keyboard. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed everything in this video. Leave a like, comment, and share this video to friends you like. Everything you do supports us. Thank you for watching this video.